मैं समय हूं।
Hey, wait, it's not a time machine. It's simply an unboxing video. So, this video is all about unboxing. So, let's move on to it. So, this is the box which I have got within 7 days, and now I have to unbox with this my knife. So, this is the box. So, let's get started. Well, this box is all lightweight. Taking my knife, I will cut with this knife. So let's start cutting. So here it is. I have to cut it very gently. Well, it's a little hard. I have to keep my knife side. Taking out apart from the paper. Let's take out the box. Yeah, it's green. Sorry, it's blue. The box is in blue color. So the box is simply some covered box. Well, you can see the box, it is clearly mentioned the time. So this is the box which I have ordered to show you how this box and what the product we have for this. So here it is. You can check the dimension and the size. So this box you will get 2 to 3 components, like backside you can see the 3 parts. Let's first open the box. While opening, you can see wrapped with a plastic cover. You can see, well, I have removed the cover. A pamphlet I have got with this box, you can see. So this is the paper of some letter. I have removed that, and the card which they give for their promotion, so that you can buy. So let's remove this. So if we will talk about this product, the product is very lightweight. You can see the back panel. Here we have 3 spot, one for hour, one for time, and one for date. So you can see here this side, right side, you can check or you can down the button for temperature, and this button is for sensor, for the lighting sensor, up and down, left and right. So and the right side you can see the alarm button. This alarm button is used for when you want to on and you want to off, and this is the light and snooze. When the alarm will on, you can just press this button to see the time and also to stop the alarm ringing. This is the display, and the back side, this slot is for battery. 3 battery you can insert here, 3. Okay, so if I will just remove this slide of battery, so after adding the battery part, we can add 3 battery here. So after removing, you can see the white panel of batteries where you can fix your 3 batteries in their position, fixed position. So normally you can insert battery here. So we have 3 battery here right now, you can see 3. So just cover the lid of this battery device. So here we have the battery fixed with, and you can see the slide, and the LCD is now open. You can check here the time, and the right side you can see the temperature, the second, and here it is in 24-hour format. So if we will press the button of light, you can see that display will getting on with the light. So in the back panel you can change with this time, hour and minute. So in this panel you can change. Let's set the time first. So after changing the time, you can see here I have changed the time. So this is the 3 main button from which you can change the time. Okay, so this is the device which is so called time machine. Actually, this time machine only can help you for your day-to life. So this is the main button for snoozing and light for your LCD light, especially for your LCD light. So in Amazon and Flipkart you will get this product in $3.99 only. Well, this product is so cool that you can buy. So if you want to buy this product, just check out my description box. So guys, see you in next video. Till then, goodbye.